What if I told you the next big player in earbuds isn't Apple, Sony, or Bose, but Belkin? Yeah, the same company you probably know for charging cables just dropped 4 new earbuds. And here's the crazy part. Every single one costs only $34.99. In 2025, that's practically unheard of. But before you scroll past thinking, cheap earbuds, cheap quality, wait until you hear what Belkin is packing into these. Because these aren't just throwaway budget earbuds. One of them offers premium active noise cancellation. Another is built like a sports companion with marathon battery life. And one even rocks Bluetooth 6.0, something you won't find on $300 earbuds right now. So let's break down what makes this lineup so interesting and which one might actually surprise you the most. Let's start with the star of the show, the SoundForm Rhythm ANC. These come with 4 microphones for active noise cancellation, IPX5 water resistance, and 10mm drivers, all the essentials of premium earbuds, but at a fraction of the cost. Oh, and they last up to 28 hours on a charge. Next, Belkin did something unusual. They made USB-C wired earbuds with ANC. Yes, wired. And honestly, they make sense. You get larger 12mm drivers, high-res audio support, and a tangle-free cable, perfect for those who hate dealing with Bluetooth or want consistent quality. For the fitness crowd, there's the SoundForm ActiveFit. Think silicone ear hooks, Bluetooth 5.4, and an IP54 rating for dust and water. No ANC, but you do get a transparency mode and a massive 36 hours of battery life. And finally, the SoundForm Anywhere, semi-open-ear earbuds that focus on all-day comfort. No ANC, but Belkin added cutting-edge Bluetooth 6.0 with multi-point connection, USB-C fast charging, and 26 hours of playtime. Plus, they come in sleek black or a soft cream finish. So what's the big takeaway? For just $34.99 each, Belkin isn't trying to out-luxury Apple or Sony. They're making smart, everyday earbuds that punch way above their price, each tuned for a different type of user. Whether you need ANC for the commute, a workout buddy, wired reliability, or just comfortable daily wear, there's one here for you. And here's the kicker. Every model ships later this month globally with plastic-free packaging and a 2-year warranty. So the question is, would you trust Belkin, a brand known for accessories, to be your next daily driver for audio? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more coverage of the best new tech from IFA 2025, hit subscribe so you don't miss it.